What is good, y'all? YD here, back with another video. This is a new season of the Hood Herbology show, where I grow gardens with little to nothing, teach y'all how to do it. You know what I'm saying? Even if y'all don't have a backyard, y'all can still do it. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. This is a new season. So far, this is what we got growing, or what we're gonna have growing. Decided to do sunflowers. We all like sunflower seeds, you know, so I'm gonna grow some sunflowers. Also, we got carrots we're gonna be growing. Didn't grow carrots last year, but we're gonna grow some this year. We got cantaloupe. We didn't grow no cantaloupe last year, but we're gonna grow some cantaloupe this year. Now, we did grow pickles last year, and it came out pretty good. Came out good. If you want to go look at that, you can go check out my previous videos of growing pickles. This time we're gonna grow them from scratch. We got it from the city market the last time. Also, we got sugar baby watermelons. I heard those don't get too big. We probably grow multiple of those. Last year I started growing watermelon late and it grew, you know. This time we're gonna grow more. That was our first time. This time we're gonna grow more. Over here we got green scallions, onions, green onions. Everybody loves onions. Goes with all type of food. We're gonna grow that too. This is just the start, y'all. This is not you know, all, but this is just to get everything going. Also, I had a friend buy me a bonsai tree grow kit, and I'm also gonna grow that too. So today we're gonna go ahead and get all the seeds started, get them ready for germination, and then after that we're gonna plant them once they're done germinating. Let's get into it. So also during the winter, the down months, I was growing, this is my broccoli. It really couldn't do anything because of the amount of pot size I gave it and the amount of light, so it couldn't really grow to its full potential. But it will be going outside here soon when the weather gets a little better. We're gonna repot it and everything, put it outside and watch this thing take off. You know, I done had it chilling. You see how tall it is. I done had it chilling all winter. But when we go to repot it, we're gonna like cover it up, you know, to a nice amount. You know, all of this is gonna be underground. Also, behind it, you can't really see, I've been growing my aloe plant. Aloe, tomato plant, you know what I'm saying? And that will be going outside too, as soon as the weather get a little better as well. I just been having it in here growing. Needed somewhere safe for it to grow, and I was like, let me put it in the tent because the winter would kill it. And if you go back to the previous videos, this thing wasn't doing too hot, but now it's growing up and doing real good. All right, so I got my jars right here and I got my water right here. So this year I'm gonna be a little more transparent with y'all on how I do my grow instead of just letting y'all watch me do my grow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take probably 3 of each just to make sure everything grows and comes out okay. And I'm gonna put them in the jar here with a wet paper towel, and I'm gonna put a lid on it, put it in the dark so it can grow. Also, this is just not ordinary water. It has a little hydrogen peroxide in it. It helps break down the shell of the seed so it can germinate quicker. I've been doing this with all my grows in the past and even in the future now. So just regular water with like a cap or a cap full of hydrogen peroxide or whatever, and that's it. You know, you don't even need a lot. You just need enough to damp the towel so the seeds can get moist and the shell can soften, and then it can grow a root. And once that root grow, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it into like a little nursery grow. We're gonna grow it indoors for a while till they get a certain size. Then we're gonna stick them outside and let them do their thing. So let's get into it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so as you see, the jar is moist, not damp, moist. You want your stuff to be moist. And then I kind of compress down the paper towel to kind of simulate the ground being on top of it, you know, pressure being on top of it. We got our sunflowers, we got our cantaloupe, and then we have our carrots. I ain't never seen a carrot seed before. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't never seen a carrot seed. That's kind of different for me. Over here, we have our pickles, our onions, and our watermelons. And if you know what's crazy, I didn't know that a pickle is like in the melon family. You can kind of tell what some of these in the same family by looking at the seeds. Like some of the seeds are similar. Like you see that cantaloupe seed, and then you see that cucumber seed. They're kind of similar, shape, size, and somewhat color. But you want your stuff to be damp like this, and then we're gonna put a lid on it, and we're gonna put it in the dark, and we're gonna come back and check it like a week or 4 days later to see what happens, see what grows, and then we're gonna move them out as they start rooting up, and then the ones that don't, we're gonna leave them in here until they do root up. So on to the next. Okay, so we're gonna get into this bonsai, and this is all the seeds that came with it. It came with 4 different plants. 4 different plants. 4 different plants, 4 pots. It comes with its own little nutrients pack, kelp nutrition pack. Comes with perlite. Comes with cocoa core. But the thing I'm having is, should I grow it my way? Or should I follow the instructions on how to grow it? You know? This is descriptions right here. I'm gonna go through this and read and figure out something that can relate with me on the grow. You see the germination days. Look at that. 20 something days for germination. That's a long that's almost a month. This one says 28. Crazy. But yes, I'm gonna go through and figure out which one will work the best, and then let's get into it. So it's a decision between the flame tree and the blue jacaranda, and I'm gonna go ahead and go with the flame tree. Only reason I'm going with the flame tree, it says a little more hardy. It can deal with some of the cold, and it takes 12 to 21 days for germination. So we're gonna go ahead, and then it says there's lots of medicinal uses too. So you ain't just gotta, have a plant. It has a use. But let's go ahead and get that in the jar, which I pulled out here, and we can get cracking. Also, this is what the seed looks like. It looks like some type of beetle at first. Like I was like, what the heck is this? This is the seed. It's pretty big. Bigger than all the other seeds that I just germinated or getting ready to germinate. But let's go ahead and get it in the jar. So I'd add a little extra water since the seed is a little bigger. That way the shell can get properly softened, and water can get into it a little more since it's a bigger seed. But this is everything right here for the start. We got our bonsai, which is a flame tree bonsai, and then we got our cantaloupe, our cucumbers, our onions. I don't know why I can't remember everything. Let me look at it. Yeah, sunflower seeds, cantaloupes, onions, cucumber, watermelon, and carrots. That's right, carrots. So, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Check back in with y'all next time. And by the time we do check back in, it's going to be some considerable growth. But appreciate y'all tuning in as always. Until next time, y'all, I'm out.